My name's Ralph Buschbacher, and I live about 45 minutes north of here in Carmel, Indiana. And we're doing a course this week on decorative turning. So different decorative effects on wood turning, mostly platters and dishes. And we're doing 8 different projects. And so people should be coming out of here with 8 more or less finished projects, things that are going to look pretty good. So I can show you a couple things that we're making. We're doing something like that with different color effects, we're incorporating a lot of different techniques. Wood burning, we're doing resin inlays with shells and other things, so those are kind of cool. Other different type of paint effects. Let me show you this one. We're doing a platter like this, and so people are learning different coloring techniques, different wood burning techniques, different resin techniques, and we've got a bunch of different supplies so everybody can do their own individualized project. We're going to have some of them that multiple people do, but really a lot of individualization. So people can use different colors. We use different types of acrylic paints, metallic paints. We're doing some spray painting outside for different effects. So. And then a lot of different inlays, so people use shells, copper, other inlays. Well, this is a class on decoration, so if you're already a halfway decent turner and you can do the shape of the wood, but you want to jazz it up a little bit, this is a class for you. We're doing a lot of different techniques, a lot of different bowls. We've got multiple things going on at all times, so you learn a lot of different techniques that you can all mix and match together and then create your own unique style.